Howdy, this is hclewk, the original creator of MCPVP, and I am back on the Minecraft scene with a brand new server called Minecraft Mistborn. And I've had a lot of people asking me what exactly Minecraft Mistborn is about, so I thought I might create this video to kind of help explain it. So Minecraft Mistborn is really a new type of server. It's kind of a hybrid between your mini games type servers like survival games or Hunger Games and survival servers like MCPVP's Raid. And so the goal here of Minecraft Mistborn is for you to come to the center of the map. If you look at my coordinates here, I am at about 0, 100 on the map, and there is all this emerald ore. And what we call this emerald ore in the Mistborn world is atium. And so atium is kind of the source of I guess magic, for a lack of better terminology. And what we do here is, if you come to the center map and you mine this atium, you'll slowly acquire it. It goes a lot faster if you get a better pick. But as you mine this atium, your counts are going to go up, your ATM count's going to go up, and once you get to 50, you then earn an ability. And the abilities do some cool stuff. Right now, it's in early beta, still closed beta, so we only have a few abilities, but there are basically two major kinds of abilities. And so if we type ability here, if I can type, you see there's allomancy and ferrochemy. So those are two different ability systems, and they both work differently. The way allomancy works is you burn items, and so we see here we can burn gold, diamond, and iron. And what burning gold does is it actually heals you. And so you have to have gold ingots in your inventory. You type /burn gold, and then hit enter, and your gold will slowly start disappearing from within your inventory, and you'll use that gold to heal you. So you're burning gold. Ferrochemy works differently, and that it is a neutral system. And so everything, so allomancy, you have to go out, you have to take the time to mine some gold, and how much you can use your ability is determined directly by how much gold you have, in the case of burning gold. Whereas ferrochemy, weight, for example. In ferrochemy, you store an attribute and then you use that attribute. So if you store weight, that means that you actually get lighter. So as you get lighter, then that obviously has effects on the way you survive in the world. So if you are lighter and you hit a zombie, that zombie is not going to have as much knockback. You're not going to knock that zombie back as far. And if somebody hits you while you're lighter, you're going to fly back further. Also, if you were to jump off a tree as you're storing weight, then you won't take fall damage up to a certain point. If you are using weight, that means you're heavier, and as you use that weight, you'll do more knockback to players, and if you fall, you'll take extra damage. However, the players around you will also take take damage whenever you fall. Kind of like the old Stomper ability in Hunger Games. And so that's a quick overview of the magic systems. But you know, the whole point here is you come to the center of the map, and by encouraging people to come to the center of the map, we're going to be promoting PvP. So there's going to be other players around here that are hostile, so it's kind of dangerous to come to the center of the map. But as you come to the center of the map, you can mine atium, get abilities. Your first ability you will get at 50 atium, and then the next ability at 250 atium, and the next one at 1,000 atium. And so once you've mined 1,000 atium, then you actually have 3 simultaneous abilities, either ferrochemical or allomantic abilities, or both, that you can use and combine them in interesting ways so they can play off each other. An example of them playing off each other is the actual effect of diamond is that when you use the diamond ability, it doubles the effect of other allomantic abilities. So if you burn diamond at the same time as gold, you'll heal twice as fast. And diamond burns at a slower rate than gold, so you get a little bit more bang for your buck there too. And so everybody comes to the center of the map, and the reason this is sort of like HG or a mini game type is if you die, you lose all your atium and you're reset back to 0. One of the most fun things about HG is that you're always scared of dying. And other server types have tried to replicate that with deathband servers, for example. Those are fun because dying actually has real consequences. And when you die, you can't play anymore for a while. The problem with that is, well, that's also kind of not fun because you die and then you can't join for a day or a week or however hardcore the server is. This server, you can join right back immediately, but all your abilities are gone. You're basically starting over from scratch from the abilities side. And so that's what makes it unique. Because you can still go run off in the distance, make a base, store some diamond armor, store a whole bunch of gold up, that type of thing. You can spend your atium to create warps, and those warps persist across deaths. And so you can build the way warps work is you set a warp and then you set a range on that warp, and the further the range, the more atium that warp costs to create. And so as you spend more time playing the game, you can actually become a more powerful player by creating a large network of warps and be able to move around the map quickly to attack other players or to get away from players. And so as you progress in the game, you may just have a warp set to the center of the atium mine, be able to grab a pick from your base, warp straight to the atium mine, and get to mining and get you an ability or two pretty quickly. Also, of course, when you kill other players, you take some of their atium. And I wanted to make this kind of team friendly. So whenever you kill a player, everybody within 10 blocks of that player splits 25% of that player's atium. It's still a huge net loss for the total atium in the game whenever you kill a player. So there can't be any sort of team gaming or whatever by killing your teammates to preserve atium. But if you as a team team up on a solo player, whenever you kill them, 25% of their atium is split between you and anyone else who is within 10 blocks. And so that is a basic overview of Mistborn and where we're going with it. I'll be opening up the second round of closed beta invitations tomorrow, and that's another 100 people that we're going to allow on the server. Right now, there's very few people that we've let into the server. We still got a lot of work to do shoring things up. Everything is really stable right now. We just need to add some more abilities, add some more features, and some nice UI elements. Right now, the ferrochemical abilities, whenever you use those, there's no indication of how much you've stored or how much you've used. And if you guys want to learn more about this, you can go to www.minecraftmistborn.com. And there you can sign up for the beta. You can purchase an early access pass or a VIP pass, which will let you get in the server right away. And I hope you guys look forward to this and enjoy playing with me. Thanks.